Write a short note on membership of UNO and function of General Assembly. United Nations Organization UNO. It is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, and achieve the international cooperation, and to be the center of harmonizing the action of nations. Membership. Membership in the United Nations is open to all other peace-loving states that accept the obligation contained in the present charter. There are currently 193 UN member states. Each of the member states of the United Nations has a one seat in the General Assembly. States are admitted to the membership in the United Nations by decision of General Assembly upon the recommendation of the Security Council. Then functions. The General Assembly is the plenary organ of the organization, all members being automatically its members. It is responsible for the UN budget, then appointing the non-permanent members to the Security Council, appointing the Secretary General of the United Nations, and receiving the reports from other parts of the UN system. First, we have to write the introduction of the United Nations, then its membership, and then the functions. It also does the policy making. This is also the function of the General Assembly. Next, our second short note is the specialization agency. In that, we have to write about the UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations. As we have seen, educational, scientific and cultural means these three parts the main focus is done. So it's the agency of the United Nations aimed at promoting the world peace and security through the educational cooperation in education, science and culture. Its headquarters is at the Paris, France. Then UNESCO supports the national education authorities in developing robust and coherent education policies and strategies to promote the education in all parts of the world. Second is the International Labour Organization. It is the United Nations agency whose mandate is to advance the social and economic justice. So it's a United Nations agency whose mandate is to advance the social and economic justice through setting the international labor standard. Its headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland. International Labour Organization ILO is devoted to promoting social justice and internationally is recognized for the human and the labor right, pursuing towards equality, to create a greater opportunities for the women and the men, to secure decent employment are the goals of ILO. It promotes the founding mission that the labor peace is essential to prosperity. India is the founder member of the ILO which came into existence in 1919. So in this way we have to write the short note. Question may be asked that write a note on UNESCO. So you should know the full form of UNESCO is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Then ILO means International Labour Organization.